Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of oil diffusers and exploring the best options for 2023. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. First up on our list is the ASAKUKI 500 milliliters oil diffuser. With its sleek design and generous capacity, this diffuser is perfect for larger rooms. The 500 ml water tank ensures continuous mist for up to 16 hours, creating a relaxing and rejuvenating atmosphere. You can choose from 7 different LED light colors and adjust the mist output to your preference. With its advanced ultrasonic technology, the ASAKUKI 500 ml diffuser operates quietly, making it ideal for use during sleep or work. Whether you want to unwind after a long day or improve the air quality in your home, this diffuser has got you covered. Get yours today and experience the soothing benefits of aromatherapy. Next, we have the Vitruvi Move oil diffuser. This compact and portable diffuser is designed for those on the go. Its sleek and modern design makes it a stylish accessory for any space. The Vitruvi Move features a rechargeable battery that allows you to enjoy the benefits of aromatherapy wherever you are. With a runtime of up to 8 hours, you can create a calming environment in your office, hotel room, or even during outdoor activities. This diffuser also offers 2 mist settings and a color-changing LED light, allowing you to personalize your aromatherapy experience. The Vitruvi Move is crafted from high-quality materials, ensuring durability and longevity. Enhance your well-being on the move with the Vitruvi Move oil diffuser. Moving on, we have the InnoGear oil diffuser. This stylish diffuser is not only a beautiful decorative piece, but also a powerful aromatherapy device. With its 150 ml water tank, it can provide continuous mist for up to 6 hours. The InnoGear diffuser features 7 soothing LED light colors that can be cycled through or set to a fixed color of your choice. It also includes 2 mist modes, intermittent and continuous, to suit your preferences. Designed with ultrasonic technology, this diffuser operates quietly, allowing you to enjoy the calming aromas without disruption. Additionally, the InnoGear diffuser serves as a humidifier, helping to improve air quality and alleviate dryness in your space. Bring tranquility and relaxation to your home with the InnoGear oil diffuser. Now, let's talk about the Pura Smart oil diffuser. This innovative diffuser takes aromatherapy to the next level with its smart capabilities. Connect it to your smartphone via the Pura app, and you can control the diffuser remotely, adjust mist settings, and schedule fragrance releases. The Pura Smart diffuser is compatible with a wide range of premium fragrance oils, allowing you to choose scents that suit your mood and preferences. With its stylish design and customizable LED lights, it not only fills your space with delightful aromas, but also serves as an elegant decor piece. Create a personalized and enchanting atmosphere with the Pura Smart oil diffuser. Next up is the SOICARE oil diffuser. This elegant diffuser features a unique wood grain design that adds a touch of sophistication to any room. With a capacity of 300 ml, it can provide up to 10 hours of continuous mist, allowing you to enjoy a prolonged aromatherapy experience. The SOICARE diffuser offers 4 timer settings, allowing you to customize the duration of mist output. You can also choose from 7 LED light colors to create a calming and soothing atmosphere. With its ultrasonic technology, this diffuser operates silently, making it ideal for relaxation, work, or sleep. Additionally, the SOICARE diffuser includes an automatic shutoff feature, ensuring safety and peace of mind. Experience the power of essential oils and transform your space into a tranquil oasis with the SOICARE oil diffuser. Last but not least, we have the NEWYID oil diffuser. This compact and stylish diffuser is designed to fit seamlessly into any home or office decor. With its 200 ml water tank, it can provide up to 8 hours of continuous mist. The NEWYID diffuser features 7 LED light colors that can be set to cycle or fixed on your preferred color. You can choose between 2 mist modes, continuous or intermittent, to suit your needs. Equipped with ultrasonic technology, this diffuser operates quietly, allowing you to relax and unwind without disturbance. It also includes an automatic shutoff function, providing safety and energy efficiency. Enhance your well-being and create a soothing environment with the NEWYID oil diffuser. That concludes our roundup of the best oil diffusers for 2023. Whether you're looking for a diffuser with a large capacity, portability, smart features, or a compact design, there's an option for everyone. Remember to check the links in the description box below to learn more about each product and make a purchase. Thanks for joining us today.